Today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Attacks Her Ex, Then She Tried to Stop Him from Calling the Police.
20th, 2026, officers were called to the home of a man after he got into an altercation with his ex, and he's completely fed up with dealing with her.
Downers go police!
Damn. She wrecked the crib.
Yeah, she's here.
She's where?
Okay. What happened?
I'm just getting my check. You're working.
Come on.
I was moving my stuff out. I'm getting my tree. I'm getting my stuff. And he's paying me back. And that's it.
Okay.
I was moving my stuff over there.
Yeah, we got a 911 call.
From who?
One of you two. Sounded like there was fighting.
No. We're good. We're good. I'm moving. We already know. I'm moving out. I was getting my check and I'm moving my stuff out. That's it. I'm leaving. You can watch me leave.
Hey, we might have to call back now.
Oh, you gonna leave, but not the way you think you gonna leave. You gonna leave in handcuffs, man. This guy not even saying nothing.
Mike, I'll pick this up later.
That's fine. I talked to you over here.
Man, why don't you come over here real quick?
Alright, number just called to a voicemail for Michael.
Let's go in here. So, what's going on?
Oh, I'm coming to get my
You could
stuff.
sit, take a breath.
No, I'm coming to get my
Relax a little.
stuff. And that's it.
Have we been here before?
Yeah, I'm coming to get my stuff and I'm leaving.
What's your name?
Yeah, I'm getting an Uber and I'm leaving. Just getting my things and I'm leaving.
Where are you planning on going?
I live with my sister now. I don't even live here anymore.
Oh,
I was picking up my things and that's it.
Are you two together or what?
No, he's my cousin.
Okay.
So what happened why do you
Well,
have to
he has a huge drinking problem. He drinks vodka.
Okay.
And I can't,
Wait. Hold on. Time out. The title says, Woman Attacks Her Ex. Then she tried to stop him from calling the police. And she just said, the cop said, are you two together? And she says, no, that's my cousin. What? Oh, nah, boy. Oh, my God. Nah, son. This is, oh, my God. What? She said, no, that's my cousin. But the title says that they're exes. We got to continue watching because this sounds crazy.
So what happened why do you
well,
have to
he has a huge drinking problem. He drinks vodka.
Okay.
And I am not supposed to be around him. I never have been. I came to get my things and to get my money, and that's it. Like, you can call my sister where I live. I literally just arrived. I haven't been here
Supposed to be around them.
because, like, me and Mike haven't been getting along, and we've had fights, and the police have been called, and I was told to not be here, and I'm not here ever. Like, this is my stuff on the ground. Like, he told me to come over and pick up my stuff, and then I could go.
Protection or something or what?
No.
We probably already have your info. Let me just get it from you real quick, just for my officer.
Yeah, I was just getting my stuff. Basically, Mike has issues with his life, and, you know, I can't, I'm not his, like, his punching bag. Like I've been distancing myself for a very long time, and I'm working very, very hard. I've been in a domestic abusive relationship, and I came back for the one night to just get my money and my stuff, and that's it. And I'm leaving, and I'm never coming back here. Like, that was this trip tonight.
No, but what started the fight tonight?
Just all of the commotion about this. It's a lot on a family.
Okay. He's saying that you took his phone away because he was calling the police on you, asking you to leave. Is that true or not?
No.
You did not take his phone?
No.
Okay. He has a little bit of a bloody nose and scratches on his hands.
He was on top of me.
Okay, so he was on top of you.
Yeah, he was on top of me. And,
What was happening with that?
he has anger problems.
Okay.
I just tried to, get him away from me. That was it. I really don't want to be here anymore. I want nothing to do with him. It's already done. I got my money. I got my things, and now I just never want to come back here. I've been doing all of the work. I'm leaving. I'm getting an Uber, and I'm going back to my sister's. I've never been back here.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, I don't live here. I never come here.
Yeah, I think...
He is very difficult. You don't understand.
Yeah.
His children can't be around him without being chaperoned.
I think if you come here to get stuff, you should call us and we can be the chaperones to make sure that no issues occur.
I just don't want the drama.
It seems like every single time you're here, there's issues.
Yeah, but there's never issues when I'm not here.
I mean, he doesn't call when you're not here.
Yeah, because I'm the only one that comes here. He doesn't have anyone here. He has no relationships with anybody except for me.
You're gonna just stand by with him. Yeah. Oh, you're right.
I'm the only one he talks to.
So where do you live at now?
I live with my sister in Hyde Park.
Yeah, that's been going well?
Yeah, I love it there. I grew up in Chicago.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Gotcha.
He's a liar and...
All right, Bridget, we're gonna have to arrest you for the injuries. So if you just stand up and put your hand.
I didn't injure him.
He's got scratches on his hands.
What's gonna happen?
Same question. You'll be taken into custody, transported out to DuPage County Jail.
Where did I put mine? I have one, so I should have one right here.
Can I just talk to Mike before we go? Can I just speak to him?
No.
It was just an accident. He told you it was just an accident?
Yeah, he doesn't want to.
Yeah, it was just
Now it's an accident.
It's state law, we don't have a choice when there's injuries. Tight in there, yeah.
Can I get my stuff?
Yeah, we can get
Over there, we'll
Yeah, but there's things that I need. There's specific things.
Well, yeah, just let us know. We'll be happy to get it for you.
Mike, can you
can't
stand?
get it
Can you stand with me?
You can't get it. We'll get it for you. We'll be happy to get anything you need.
You got like a
can't have you go
bag?
any further.
Is this yours?
That blue
Yeah.
bag?
But no, Mike, can I ask you a question?
No, don't.
We just don't want to have that engagement.
Bring it up.
No, my wallet. No, I don't want you to bring. That's my laptop. I don't want you to bring that. I want you to bring my wallet.
We'll grab your cell phone and we'll grab your wallet.
Your wallet?
Yeah, okay. We'll go
And a
this way.
cell phone? Cell phone, there was one on top. Okay. Does it have a green case, ma'am? This is her phone. Yeah.
It's a blue case, hon.
I'm colorblind.
And my wallet's green.
Very good.
Where green wallet? You know where green wallet is? You know where it would have been last?
I don't know if it's in my.
Pocket?
Can we look at this bag?
No,
Would it be in here?
in the front. Can you look with me? Or
Would it be inside here?
you can check. I had it. I was holding it. You can look on that pillow. I fell. And we just had it like an accident on the ground. and I accidentally hit him in the nose.
I got this. I'm having a hard time finding your green wallet.
Okay.
Is there any chance it's in this bag?
Oh, look, he just checked.
Can you look in the bigger part?
This part? Sure.
And then can you look in this blue bag? Because I brought that blue bag.
Sure.
Yeah.
Any chance you left in the car?
No, I just had it.
She took an Uber here, she said.
Wow.
Can we look
You
under?
told me you drove.
Oh.
No, I drove here, but then I'm taking an Uber home.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was.
They'll find your wallet.
Like, why doesn't that make sense?
Right.
Hey, can you just look on the floor right there?
I did. I don't see
No,
anything.
because I want to be able to get out of jail
All right,
and
well-
use my card.
Okay. You want us to take a
Mike.
look in your car?
No, it's not. It's actually here. It's here.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just look. Like, can you look on
What about
the
this green thing? Is that not it?
No, it's like a green wallet.
It's like a purse. Looks like there's
No, it's
stuff
not
in
it. No. It's wallet. It's a green wallet. I won't be able to get out.
Well, okay, so let's get you down to the car. A couple of us are still going to be here, so if we find it, we'll bring it.
Is it the phone over there?
Yeah, I got it. We'll just get her down first, then they keep looking for it.
She was charged with domestic battery. Do you think she was very
Pretty interesting. I'm still trying to figure out if they're cousins or lovers or both. That's what I've been trying to figure out this whole video. Cause I'm sitting here trying to figure out a title for this. Cause this say they're exes. She kind of alludes to exes, right? She does say I've been in a domestic relationship with him. She been living with him or whatever. Moving out. I mean, cousins ain't, unless they real close. I don't know. I ain't never lived with my cousin, or even my cousin never tried to live with me. So I don't know that part. You know what I mean? I'm just really trying to. That's the only thing I'm trying to figure out this whole video, because I just know something ain't right, man. Something ain't right. Maybe kissing cousins. Maybe. I don't know, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.